A rollover is moving money from one retirement plan like a 401k, 403b, or an IRA to another retirement plan or account. Two of the biggest advantages to rolling over an old retirement account is first, keeping all of your retirement funds in one place as you progress throughout your career. And secondly, when you roll over to an IRA that is both low cost and has good investment options, you could ultimately save thousands of dollars over the course of your life by having your investments at low cost places like Vanguard or E-Trade. Not all retirement accounts are created equally, and therefore, we want you to have the best retirement accounts possible as you move throughout your career. By rolling over your old retirement funds, you're ensuring that your money is in the best place possible. Rollovers can be done anytime, but they are most commonly done after you change places of employment. There are two ways you can roll over your accounts. First, moving your money to your current employer's 401k or 403b account, or secondly, moving your money to your own IRA. We'll focus on rollovers as they relate to rolling over your money into an IRA, even if you don't have one yet. One of the reasons understanding rollovers is super important is because most people will have anywhere from 5 to 15 jobs before they retire. When you retire, it'll be extremely difficult and almost impossible to track down 5 to 15 different retirement accounts with them scattered all over the universe. It's very likely that you will want to open an IRA to roll over your previous accounts if you don't have one already. There's no limit to how much you can roll over into an IRA, so if you have $500 or $500 million, you can roll over these funds to control and manage your future and retirement. Additionally, it usually doesn't cost anything to actually do a rollover. However, there are some lame companies that may charge you a surrender fee for moving your old retirement accounts, but that's usually still worth it, even if you have to pay a fee. Those companies likely don't have the best investment options anyways, and when you consolidate your funds, you'll be able to put your money into lower cost, higher quality investments that recoup the surrender fee over the long run. One final thing to note is that rollovers can be done tax-free. We'll cover this in more detail later. Rollovers are an increasingly important step to take throughout your career to make sure you are keeping track of your money over time and investing it using the best accounts and investments possible.